In today's video, we are going to cover how to set up a custom domain for Stripe checkout. Start by opening your Stripe dashboard and going into Settings. This is where Stripe keeps the account level options that control how your checkout and customer-facing pages are configured. Once Settings is open, look under Account Settings and click Business. That section contains the business profile details for your account along with the area for custom domains. Inside Business, select the Custom Domains tab. When that tab opens, you will see the option to add a domain that Stripe can use for parts of the checkout experience. Click Add your domain to begin the setup. Stripe will prompt you to enter the domain name you want to use. Type the subdomain or domain you plan to connect, such as paidexample.com. Make sure the domain is entered exactly as you intend to use it, because this is the address customers may see when they are sent to checkout or related Stripe hosted pages. After entering the domain, Stripe will show how that custom domain can be used across its hosted surfaces. Review the details for checkout, payment links, and the customer portal. This screen is there so you can confirm what will be routed through the custom address before you continue. If your account uses more than one of these features, it is worth checking that the domain setup matches the parts of Stripe you expect customers to access. You will also see the monthly fee Stripe displays for adding the custom domain. Take a moment to review that amount before moving forward. Since the domain feature is tied to billing, this is the point where you confirm the cost associated with enabling it on your account. When everything looks correct, click Add. Stripe will then move you to the verification stage, where it provides the DNS records required for the domain connection. These records need to be added with the company where your domain's DNS is managed. Depending on where your domain is hosted, that could be your registrar or your DNS provider. Follow Stripe's instructions closely as you configure the required DNS records. The values must match what Stripe displays, including the record type, name, and target. A small typo or placing the record on the wrong host can prevent verification, so check each entry before saving it. After the records are added, Stripe will verify the domain. In some cases, DNS changes can take a little time to update, so if verification does not happen right away, wait briefly and check again from the same setup area. Once Stripe confirms the records, the custom domain is connected and ready for use with the Stripe pages listed during setup. Your custom domain for Stripe checkout is now added and verified.